Hi.
Oh.
We've got you on this long extension stick. What do you call it? Selfie stick.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I can't plug it into the phone, so I'm having to do it manually. Please excuse the state of us. I've just come back from Centre Park. Well, I came back yesterday. It was a wet weekend, and Simon was on his own, so he did I think you did one car boot, didn't you?
Two.
I did 2 car boots, and then was that on the Sunday?
Yeah. Saturday it was raining.
Was it raining? Oh, it was raining all weekend
Yeah.
at Centre Parks. We've just been into the town to do the posting, and we nipped into one of the charity shops. God, I look horrendous. Nipped into one of the charity shops, so we thought we'd do a really quick haul for you. And Simon's still obviously looking stuff up on his phone as he's laid there with that look on his face. The step-toe look.
That was my normal face. Not funny.
Right, I'll show you. I'll just show you what I got first. I'll apologise if this camera's really dodgy and shaky. So, I got these mugs. What did you say they were?
Face mugs?
Yeah, but you said there were a certain face mug.
I don't know.
I've not looked them up
3D.
yet. No, not 3D. What are you talking about? He said, "Oh, I've only found them, and they're from America."
I don't know. They're like.
Got 2 of those, 20 pence each. A brownie mug.
They're like living wear.
Oh, right.
Face 3D set of 4 cups, mugs, protruding nose, etc.
Oh, you what? Say that again.
I can't remember.
So the what where?
Living wear.
From America, and they were 40.
Come off it again. Sometimes you really can. Living wear. I can't even see them now.
Don't worry about it. Anyway, we've not found any yet properly, but I've not researched. 20 pence each. I got them because they reminded me of me and Simon.
You get a tenner each for $9.99.
Yeah. I got a wicker bag. I thought it was really nice, and it was £2. And then I got to the van and realised there's quite a bit of wear. I don't know if you can see it on the handles. So I don't know if I'll keep that myself or just put it on auction. You're not funny.
So you got a wickle bag?
A wicker bag? I didn't say wickle, did I?
A wickle.
Did I say
wickle bag?
Did I say wickle?
No. Oh dear me.
Obviously, if you're a regular watcher, you often see that I don't speak properly, or I forget my words, or my words come out wrong. And Simon takes a mickey out of me. What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Okay. A doll. I don't know what make it is. I've not looked yet. And that was £1.
You like your dolls, don't you?
Yeah. I don't know why. I think it's because I didn't have dolls when I was a kid. A load of these. A bag full of these. I think, I'm not sure, I think they're Polly Pockets, but I could be wrong. And they've got like, wait a minute, they've got like silicone clothes that you can put on, and they're not the plastic clip-on ones, but these are a big bag. Show you? Oh no, can't see. I'm no good at this one. If you can see there, a big.
You got wire hanging down.
I have. So
I
there's
didn't tape it up that way.
these like plastic squashy clothes. So I'm presuming, that's obviously not Polly Pocket, but I'm presuming these are little Polly Pockets, but as I say, I've not looked them up properly yet. But I'm hoping that they are. Okay. Do you want to show what you've got first? I've only got a few more
No.
clothes.
I'm just looking something up.
I'm
How can that be a word?
holding it and doing this. A waistcoat that is crocheted, and that was, I think that was £2.50. It might be, somebody might buy it. It's in a grey. Can't see it very well, can you? It's like a, well, it is. It's a waistcoat. Simon, you're not being very well held.
What do you want me to do, darling?
Hold this camera or hold
I
some.
can't, because I'm just looking these up. Trying
A
to find
skirt.
them. What does that say in there? I don't matter.
Like an A-line mini skirt, and that was £2.50. That looks like nearly new. Let's see what way. That's just Denim & Co, so it's not a particular great make. None of the clothes are really from around here. This is a spotty dress by Boden, and I think I got this quite a while ago, so I might have shown this already, because I didn't get this one today. Simon, I really can't do this. Right, let's put it there and hope it doesn't fall down. So it is Boden, what size is it? Size 14, and it's about mid-calf. It's quite stretchy. Don't ask me what material, because I haven't got my glasses, so I won't be able to see. And I've got all them little dolls everywhere. A skirt that's a wrap over, and that is a River Island, and that was 50p, like a plummy colour. This I got today. So this is, it has got a button. I thought it was missing a button then. All the clothes were for £1. This is EWM Pure Classic size 16, and it's just a pleated skirt. That was quite nice. Won't wear it myself, but it's still quite nice. A jacket that is Jeff Banks Tracy, and I think it's a size 8. I think it's a size 8, but it's in really good condition. Again, that was £1. And the only other thing I got was an underskirt, a black one. Oh, I'm losing it. A black underskirt. I didn't lose it years ago. I'll open it up. A black underskirt, and that's for me. And again, that was £1. So I like that. I think that's nice. Ooh, it's falling. As you can see on the sofa, I've not cleared any of the stuff away yet. The rest of the room's a mess. Right, you're going to show what you've got now, Simon? No, you haven't got muscles.
What are you saying? Right.
You need to come nearer, I think.
I can't, because you keep pushing it further away on that stick. I've got a little rattly dog.
He's been like this all day.
A Red Rover, and you open the back and it's got bones in it.
Wait a minute. Oh,
Like this.
There you go.
It takes batteries. I think it needs batteries because it doesn't switch on. But I think you put the bone in the dog's mouth and then it says something or whatever. It's a play and learn interactive thing. So that was pretty good. I picked it up for 50p. I think it's worth about £5 to £10.
That's good. It's in good condition as well.
It is good condition. What else did I get? I got a load of cassettes called Play to Learn, and from what I gather, they're for learning to play the keyboard, piano. And it's there. There's 40 cassettes in there, and they're all like brand new. So that's pretty good. I've looked them up online, can't really find any that are sold, but there's a few people that have got them up for $49.99, and I paid £3 for them. No, £3.50 for them. So obviously if I've got them up at that price, I'm expecting to get somewhere near that.
You got more things than that, didn't you?
Yeah, I got some Grenson shoes.
He's really pleased with his Grenson
Jeanette
shoes.
laughed at me with them. I think they're actually the different size. Style Lucerne.
What?
Lucerne.
Lucerne.
Yeah, I haven't looked them up actually. I looked up the name inside of them. So Jeanette laughed because these dropped in price a lot. But if you look in there, these are Grenson Svelts, which someone's got a brown pair on at the moment. Not really any great prices achieved because there's only 2 pairs that are sold, but someone's got a brown pair on and they're asking £85 for them, and they're all around about 50, 60, 70 pounds. The sold ones.
Look at you, try not to laugh and gloat at me.
I ain't got it from yet, have I? It's waiting for it, but they're boxed as well, you see, and I think that'll make a difference. I've got a pair of jazzy silver boots, like this.
Is that what you got today?
Yeah.
I didn't see you get them.
Pair of jazzy silver boots, and they were a £5, and I reckon they're worth. Yeah, they are like new. Look.
What make are they?
Like new. They are Isle Jacobson.
Have you looked them up?
I've looked them up online. I think they're about, if I remember right, they're about 60 quid online.
Oh, what?
Not second hand.
Oh.
No. But these are, they've literally, I don't know if you'll see, look at the bottom there. They've literally been tried on, they've not been worn. So, very slightly. I did think they'd be worth 25 quid then, and I paid a £5 for them. And then I got 2 Nerf masks.
I didn't realise they were in packets.
Yeah, 2 Nerf masks. I hadn't actually looked if, I don't even know if they've been opened.
Yeah.
That's the original tape on it.
Alright.
And that is a,
No, it's not.
I don't know. I think they're like new, but I'll not know till I take them out of the box, which I don't really want to do. But anyway, they were on the floor. I didn't even spot them to start with.
I think it was an auction clearance stuff because there was loads of it.
It might be, but with them, I just bought a Nerf rival. It's a Nerf gun that fires balls. It's an XV 1200 or something like that, where you pull the thing at the top and the fire out at like 70 mile an hour. Bought one of them at the weekend. That one didn't come with a mask. And I got a electric one, a battery operated one, the week before, and that one did come with a mask, but it's not very good condition. So when I seen these, it just jumped out and smacked me in the face. Paid £4 for both of them, so £2 each, was it? Is that what I paid?
It was £4 for both of them, yeah.
I think it was. Yeah, I think I paid £2 each for them. So I'll get a tenner each on them, so 20 quid
for
for
£4.
£4.
You just said about.
No, I was
right,
just telling you that I've got them now.
Oh.
I've always wanted to get some of them. I've never found any on Car Boot before, and they've just started sort of hitting Car Boot. I like them ones because they're powerful.
Cool, what else did
So I'm
you
going
get?
to shoot you with them in uni. Get to work. Yeah, the other thing I got was a free bag for life, a Hessian one, Tesco's one. Just put all my stuff in it.
Excellent.
Never charged me. Most likely in a charity shop. What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
Alright.
So, oh my god, I look hideous. That's what we got.
Shut up, you weird woman.
I look like a witch. I'm going to cut my hair off today. I'm gonna
Good.
cut it. Simon, I've asked Simon to cut my hair. Look at it.
And I won't.
And he won't cut it for me. So I'm just going to cut it myself. I'll just put a YouTube video on it and tell me how to cut it to here.
No, do a video of you cutting it. Put it
No,
on the
that
channel.
would not be a clever
it will,
thing
it'd
to
be
do.
funny.
Oh yeah, what when I end up like my hair all over the place? Well, it can't be any worse than it is. The other thing I just wanted to say, when I did that auction box a couple of videos ago that Simon found highly amusing, I looked at the pictures last night, the lot pictures, and some of the things that were in it. Well, there's one thing that I can see that hasn't arrived when it was posted, and that was a troll. You can just see the head of the troll in the pictures of the lots. And I haven't received that, so I'm not sure what to do about it. Is that it? Are you exhausted now?
I told you. No, just someone will have bidded on against you on that box and only wanted the troll. And then before the auction started, after the photos were taken of the boxes, or at the end of the auction when they picked up their box next to it, they'll get the troll put in their box.
Yep.
Yep. Told you that.
I know.
My lip. You cut it off on end at last one. Sounded like a weirdo. And my lip. And then. So anyway, my lip. Pizza. That's how I did it. Got a piece of pizza out of the oven, and our parrot always chucks its seed out if you don't feed it. So I quickly bit some off to give to the parrot. And as I bit it off, a piece of cheese and salami fell onto my lip and burned my lip. And it's killing it. Been like it for days now.
Stop picking it.
But
then.
put tea tree oil on it. I'm touching it, look. Put tea tree oil on it, it's drying it all up and it's starting to get better, and the neuralgia around my face is starting to dissipate a little bit, and I'm not getting the numbness in my tongue anymore. So that's good.
You didn't tell
From
me
the
any of
swelling.
that. And he's cut his hair.
Yeah, can you tell? Look.
He does it himself.
Yeah, you can tell it all.
No, you can't. It's all right.
No.
It's all right.
Anyway, right.
So,
You done?
yeah.
Right. Got
That
loads
is-
of stuff to do in unit. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Loads of stuff to list. Listed loads of stuff. Got loads to do. Loads to sell. Loads to deliver. Loads to collect. The next mad on auctions and wants to get to loads.
I do, because although I've not sold anything, looking through the boxes,
Yeah.
although it's tat, most of the stuff I've got is tat, I enjoy looking through it, and I enjoy cleaning it, and I enjoy listing it. And when I sell something, I'll be jumping for joy.
Where'd you get that radio from?
Car boot.
Right.
I've just put something on. I've just listed a broken plane. What's it called?
It's a VHF monitor.
A VHF monitor that monitors a plane, I presume. It's an old one. And because it's broken, and I put that it's broken and it's got a smash bit at the edge, and I've took the pictures of it, I put it on, and within 2 minutes it's sold. I only put it on for £12.50 and it sold straight away. So you know when you hear that ka-ching and you think, I sold that too cheap. That's what I thought. But then I thought, it's still profit anyway, because it's sold.
Yeah.
And I can go selling, buying, should I say.
£9 profit.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Right. Hope you're all having a great day. It's absolutely chucking it down here. I don't know what it's like it where you are, but I love the rain. Simon hates the rain. That's why he's not at the unit and he's down at the house. And this is why our house is now full again with stuff to sell.
It's your stuff, it's full of, not mine.
Yeah. So we won't. We could go to an auction tomorrow.
I will
Can't
work.
not.
I'll go to the auction with you, as long as you come to deliver the stands with me.
Yeah, but that's miles away. If it's
So it's the
raining,
auction.
if it's raining, I'll be like awful in the car.
Sit in the boot.
That's even worse.
Oh, just put a bag on your head and tie it up.
You're not very nice to me at all.
I'm always nice to you.
Always. That's a sore subject, the word always. When I first met Simon, because of my Yorkshire accent, I used to say always. And he used to go, Jeanette, it's always,
No, you used
not
to say
always.
No,
I didn't. I said always.
Always. Always. No, you didn't.
Always.
The way you said it, it sounded a bit funny.
Always.
You talk how you want, anyway. No,
And now I have to say always.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Always.
No, you don't. Do what you want.
Right, have a great week. Take care. See you later. Oh, I'm going to cut my hair. Bye.